Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow Airport. The local time here is 5 minutes past 2 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seat, take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all of your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you've reached a designated area. If your journey ends here at Heathrow on leaving the aircraft, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. Customers who are nationals of the UK, EU and EEA countries, as well as USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Singapore or South Korea, are now welcome to use the e-gates to go through immigration, providing you are over the age of 12. Those aged 12 to 17 must be accompanied by an adult. Please be aware that landing cards are no longer required to be completed or presented when entering the United Kingdom. If you connected onto another flight from Heathrow today, please check the information screens for your departing gate number. If it is not yet displayed, please follow the purple signs to flight connections. Please be aware that all liquids, including contents from onboard amenity kits, will be screened prior to your next flight. To enable you to take them onto your next flight, these items must be placed into a clear plastic bag available at airport security. Customers who use the British Airways mobile app can receive connecting gate information and boarding notification if you have your device switched on. You can also connect using the free Wi-Fi offered by Heathrow Airport. All of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in London and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. It has been our pleasure to serve you. We look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. A very good afternoon to you all.